ka SORKAR JYLLA kalai SOI sekolah ne ka Memorandum of Understanding hapdeng ke NTPC Limited nagbanta ka jing PYNBIANG boarding elektrik ha ka JYLLA bro kawai ya ka te ka jinyo SOI sekolah la pelong hanong ba New Delhi ha ka spodorik naitung arjarar fulai ha ka bana kaliang ka SORKAR JYLLA lalam kemat menteri rang ba ukonrat ke sangma bat asa kelang do menteri ki kam boarding eti mondal bat UCMD ka NTPC Limited Gurdip Singh.
This time we were passing through a big crisis as far the power generation and so also distribution is concerned. Our consumers were subjected to a lot of inconveniences, and that's why Honorable Chief Minister was thinking that how to come over of this crisis, and accordingly we were discussing with NTPC, who are having all experience, knowledge and infrastructure to give an associate with us to bail out of this situation, and today we signed the memorandum. We hope that this will go in a big way as far the power generation and distribution is concerned for the state.